Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this leather office chair that I think it could be really good if you, number one, if you kind of like lack of space, because this one you can put it in storage mode. I'm going to show that one to you in a few seconds. And the other one is this one is comfortable, supports 250 pounds, and also is super easy to assemble. I think you're going to probably get it in like 20 minutes, no more than that, with power tools. Things that I want to show you about this chair. Number one, I do like how well padded this one is. Again, supports 250 pounds. And you can see that it comes with a really firm pad over here that is kind of like to allow more circulation on your legs, because it's going to be a little bit elevated, so that's cool. And also right here comes with another firm pad, but right here it's more cushion right here, kind of like on the headrest or on the sides. And it comes with a breathable mesh over here, so if it is like a hot day or something like that, it could be a good thing. The armrest, you can't put in kind of like change the height, but you can actually put it like this in storage position and kind of like put it underneath the desk. So that's why I was just trying to say that this one could be a really good one for space saving as well. You can see this one right here. These are also well padded, and the whole structure and the whole chair, I think it's wide and big enough to support those 250 pounds for a person that is going to be kind of like, I want to say in between 6'1" and 6'2". I'm 5'10", and you can see that this one still supports my head on the headrest. But I want to say that probably if you're taller than 6.3, this could not be that tall for you, and your head may be kind of like a little bit up in there. Something that I really like, well, yeah, besides like you can change the height like every other chair. Now it's, I'm going to lock it right here, and now I'm going to unlock it. So you see that this one comes with this really nice recliner as well. So that's kind of cool. It comes in multiple colors. I do like this one, this kind of like vintage old school leather is, with the stitches right here, with the pads, with the headrest, with the flip arms right here. So I think that's actually kind of cool as well. I like it. I think it could be a really convenient and well-performing office chair. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.